Why travel with nothing but a bum bag?
When you travel, you must choose something to carry your luggage. The size and type really depends on your needs. There's the suitcase and inconvenient duffel bag, but for many, a large backpack is often enough. A smaller one is even better, and long-term comfort and flexibility are of importance. So why only a bum bag? Why not just take a backpack? The obsession began during my first ever trip.
We have to go back
6
years.
I was hiking in Norway. Living in a tent for 4 months, I depended on outdoor equipment. But I also packed the unnecessary things, and way too many of them. I had slowed down my adventures, making those precious experiences more challenging than they already were. Instead of preparing and testing out the fully loaded backpack before I left, I'd unintentionally sabotaged my own trip. I spent much of that chapter trying to drastically minimize my camping setup, routinely examining the weight and bulk of every object I'd forced upon my shoulders, which without, I found a far greater sense of freedom. I could move more, I could see more. Now I could truly travel the world. My goal was never to carry a silly amount of belongings around in foreign countries. My goal was always to explore these new places and embrace them as much as possible. I soon realised how the things I carried were simply tools, which allowed me to do just that. From this point on, if I didn't absolutely need the item, it was gone. This transition eventually turned into an obsession. Originally, I wanted as many comforts as could fit into my pack. Attached to and scared to be without reminders of home. Back then, I believed I may as well fill the airline's weight allowance. But now I wanted to see how little I could live with. My following travels took a drastic turn. And this time, I started doing things the easy way, paying for transport and accommodation. This meant I didn't need any bulky camping gear. Which got me thinking, what do I actually need? I narrowed it down to just a few things. The important things: passport, bank cards, the wardrobe things, shirt, t-shirt, leggings, underwear, trainers, the bathroom things, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, razor, nail clippers, tweezers, the electronic things, phone, earphones, charging cable, wall plug, the extra things, glasses, sunglasses. When I switched to the bum bag, it made me interact with the world differently. Now I was 100% focused on experiences. I waved goodbye to my friend when he left with my backpack and everything in it. No more backpack, no more extra t-shirts, no more swim shorts, no more flip-flops, no more travel towel, no more camera, no more. Empty-handed in Prachapgiri Khan, I walked back to my room full of excitement over what I'd just done.
A Choice to Live Simply by Lost Jet Free.